Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie. If you're new here, welcome. So today I will be doing this purple eyeshadow look. It's a part of a series that I'm doing, but okay, disclaimer, if you hear someone yelling in the background, no one is being harmed. It's my little brother. He streams his wrestling, so I'm having to compete with him and his yelling. Also compete with my fan because my room is hot. Okay, disclaimers out the way. Cool. I decided to film for you guys. I haven't filmed any like long form content in a while. Everything in my channel, or everything recently, has been like short term with reels and shorts. So I was like, I need to sit down and talk to them. Oh, if you follow me on Instagram, Beauty by Angie Denise with 2 E's, then you will know I'm currently doing my NFL makeup challenge, where I take each NFL team and turn their team colors into an eyeshadow look. So today I am doing the Vikings, and this is what I came up with so far. Also with the Rhinestones. So basically how I've worked it out is, or how I've planned it, is however many games each team won, that's the number of rhinestones that I put on my eyes to complete the eyeshadow look. I know it's been more than a month since my last like YouTube like video. My last makeup video was Valentine's Day, so I'm very much overdue for a makeup tutorial. First, I'm going to use my Zulu palette by Juvias, and literally I use like 3 colors. I'm gonna take this purple shade right here and just apply that to my crease. So at first it started off with just these 2 shades, but when I actually went and started looking at the Vikings and like their jerseys and their colors, they have a little bit more of a darker purple. I'm using my Morphe Lisa Frank palette, just taking 1 shade, literally that's it, Sky. So it's this really deep purple, and I'm just gonna put that on the outer corner of my lid. I'm not gonna really like go in with it, but you'll see. And see how it's like a more deeper purple, and all the shades I'm using are matte, so no glitter, no sparkle, no nothing. Like it's all matte, which I feel like I hardly ever do. Already you see that shade is deepening, or that eyeshadow is deepening, and I'm just gonna blend it in just on the outer corner. Oh yeah, my hair is red now. I know the last time I posted a video, my hair was in a quick weave and it was brown. Before my quick weave, when my tutorial was back in December, my hair was like black and blonde. So yeah, I'm a redhead now. My roots have already started to grow back. I've had this color in my hair for almost a month. It took some getting used to, but now that my roots have grown back in, I like it more. I just got tired of being blonde, and I hadn't dyed my hair since my birthday of 2023. So it was well overdue for me to get a new hair color, and I didn't want to go back to like jet black. So now I'm gonna take my P.Louise eyeshadow base. This is in Rumour 5. I'm still using this product, y'all. I still have plenty of it. So I'm just gonna cut my crease, and this side got a little messy on the cut crease, so I'm gonna try my best to make it as even as possible. So now I'm gonna go back into my Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm gonna take this gold yellow shade right here, and I'm just gonna put this shade on my entire lid, or where my cut crease is, that's where I'm gonna put. as you see, I'm just packing on this gold color. No, I'm associating this with the Minnesota Vikings team colors. I feel like this look could be for the Lakers. Are the Lakers still purple and gold? I don't watch basketball, but I think they're still purple and gold. This could be for the Lakers. This could be for Mardi Gras, because ain't purple and gold for Mardi Gras colors too? Like, so technically, if you're going to a Lakers game, you can use this eyeshadow look. Or for Mardi Gras next year, here goes your inspiration. Boom. I'm gonna take my blending brush and I'm gonna blend out the edges of this, just so it's not like such a harsh line. But the line really doesn't matter, because I'm gonna go back over it, or I'm gonna place my rhinestones where the line is. Well, kind of where it is. Yeah, I need to blend it, because this one is blended all nice and seamless, so I need to try to blend as much as I can. And then I'm gonna go and actually up here as well in my inner corner and try to blend out some more of that. I am acting like I don't know how to film a YouTube video. So I'm actually gonna go back in with this brush, and I'm gonna go back in with my Juvias place, knock off excess, and I'm actually going to blend it out this way. That brush really didn't blend. See how now it kind of blends in better, or how it like fades into? That's what I'm going for. For my rhinestones, I'm using this gold, and then I'm using this purple right here. So these two. The hardest part with applying rhinestones has been trying to make them even on both eyes. That's what I struggle with. Purple, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got this rhinestone right on my lash line. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my base makeup, and then I'll come back and actually try some new products. My base makeup has not changed. The only thing is I'm now starting to like the Smashbox Photofinsh primer. This primer is not new, it's been out, but I've really been liking this primer more over my Milk Hydro Grip primer. Foundation is the same. I don't know when I'm gonna get a new foundation, okay? I don't know. And then my concealers are still the same. I'm still using the Sephora Best Skin Ever concealer. This is in shade 35N, and then I'm still using LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. Okay, so my base makeup is applied, foundation, concealer, and color corrector. I know I look crazy right now, but I've been trying to use a new translucent setting powder. Purchased the Beauty Bakerie Pinch, what is this called? Yeah, Pinch of Flower. This is in the shade Caramel. So this is what this looks like. Like, it's way more yellow than what I'm used to, because with the Laura Mercier powder, it's a little bit more on the white side in my opinion, but this powder is like way more yellow. Oh, that didn't come out bad. Oh, I was nervous for nothing. But yeah, when I first applied this powder, I was like, oh my gosh, like I felt like it took away how my concealer was looking. But no, I think it's the fact that this powder is just closer to my concealer shade and I'm not used to that. I like to press my powder in specifically just for my under eye, and I like to blend it in that way, or set my eyes that way, is by blending it in. I'm just gonna set the rest of my face with this powder. Everywhere I put concealer is where I'll put this powder. Now the next new product that I have used, I actually used this today when I filmed a makeup look earlier. While this is setting on my face, I'm gonna take the Tower 28 Sculptino contour, and this is in the shade Hammer. I believe this is the darkest shade that they have, or maybe the second darkest. It's either the darkest or the second darkest, but this is how it looks. So it's a cream contour, and cream contour kind of scares me, but like literally that's all I put. This product so far is like, they really emphasize it being easy to use, and it really is easy to use. So I like this so far. Then to blend this out, I'm gonna take my Marc Jacobs the Shape brush. I've literally had this brush since like 2021. I don't think they make these brushes anymore, which makes me really sad, because I would definitely buy another set, or this set was gifted to me, but if I could find them again, I will go out and find them and buy them. But I don't think Marc Jacobs makes these anymore. But anyways, so you see how that blended? So now I'm gonna go back in with my Beauty Bakerie setting powder, and I'm going to set my contour. So the next products I have not tried yet. I get so nervous when I try new products because I don't want them to mess up my makeup look. But this is the e.l.f. liquid blush. It's in this really pretty pink shade, and this is in the shade Pinky Promise. Oh, this is very, very pink. I still like to apply blush on the apples of my cheek. I don't really apply blush up here just because it's not my vibe. I mean, I'll do it sometimes, but honestly, I'm just gonna put like one dot because this is so pink. Okay, yeah, it's giving beauty blender. I envy the girls who are online and who just put on a bunch of blush up here and all in here and do the different like placements of blush, and they blend it out and make it look seamless. But then I feel like if I do that, I'm gonna look like a hot mess, like a pink hot mess, like a pink tube of hot mess. A bottle of Pepto-Bismol is what I feel like my face would look like. So I'm gonna go in with another dot because I feel like I could use a little bit more. I might go in with another blush on top of this since this is dewy. I'm gonna actually kind of go in with this brush a little bit more. For my highlighter, I'm going back in with my black Radiance palette in the highlighter shade. Also, to complete my eyeshadow look, white is another color, a part of the Vikings. I'm gonna take some white eyeliner. I just applied this to the back of my hand. I'm gonna take a angled brush and I'm just gonna kind of like apply. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is how this came out. My phone cut off because it was talking about I didn't have storage, but actually I have plenty of storage. So yeah, this is the end of today's video. Made it to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one.